Present Honorable President of this function, Alhaj Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Muhibullah, Pir Sahib Batamara. Honorable Chief Guest, Muhammad Rafiqul Islam, Mayor Burhanuddin03. Honorable Principal, Honorable Chairman, my respectable teachers, journalists, guests, guardians, and the students of Tamirul Ummah Madrasa. Please receive the greatest greeting according to the teaching of our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Maruf Alam before you. I am really proud to becoming a student of this institute. My teachers are high qualified, cordial and moral. Their teaching method is very easy. They are very friendly to us. They use extra materials for our teaching such as projector, laptop, speaker, sound box for a successful class. They try to develop the students' creativity, capability. I like my teachers' strategic way to teach the students. My dear guests, you know that this institute has already finished a successful year and gained more popularity. It is a well-spacious institution with all facilities. It has a well-enriched computer lab and it has well-transportation different roads. My dear guardians, you have taken a good decision to admit us in this institution. You are thanked for your good decision. This decision will help us to make a golden life. I am requesting all of you to admit your beloved children in this institution for a golden future. My dear guests, you know that it is a big challenge for the students of Bhola district. But Alhamdulillah, we are getting a good knowledge about different subjects such as especially English spoken and Arabic spoken in this Tamirul Ummah Madrasa. Education is what removes doubt and fear. Education is what makes us better beings. But gaining knowledge alone doesn't make us educated. Education is complete only when we learn how to live, how to hope, how to pray, and how to behave to others. That's all for you. Thank you very much for having patience. Truly speaking, my dear guests, it was a very nice moment with you. Allah Hafiz.